Welcome back to another week of STEMpower at home. This week, we will be turning our dull pennies into shiny pennies. You may have noticed that older pennies are normally darker in color, or look dirtier. This is because pennies contain copper, which is the metal on the outside that gives it the brown color it has. As time goes by, oxygen in the air reacts with the copper, and it creates copper oxide, which is darker in color. As time goes on, more copper oxide gathers, which is why older pennies look dirtier. But is there a way we could reverse this process? Perhaps we could find a way to make dirty pennies clean again. Let's find out. You will need 1 dirty penny or a penny that's darker in color, 1 cup or jar, paper towels, and lemon juice or vinegar. I'm using vinegar. First, pour 1/4 cup of vinegar or lemon juice into the cup or jar. Or just pour enough so that the penny can be fully submerged in the liquid. Next, drop 1 or more pennies into the cup. Wait at least 10 minutes, then remove and wipe with a paper towel. Compare the penny to the color it was before. Does it look any lighter? Try drawing on a penny with a marker. Maybe try drawing on multiple pennies with different kinds of marker, like a permanent marker, a whiteboard marker, and a highlighter. Repeat this experiment again and see, does the marker stay on the penny? You can try putting pennies in other liquids as well and see which one works best at cleaning the penny. Because lemon juice and vinegar are acids, it lets them eat away at the copper oxide on the outside of the penny. When you wipe the penny off after soaking in these liquids, you wipe off the copper oxide and it reveals a shiny penny. Thanks for joining me for this week's experiment. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out last week's video and remember to subscribe for more. Bye everyone, and we'll see you next week.